Hello folks, welcome back to another kit review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Slave 1 Star Wars model kit. Now I bought this kit I think it was in 2018. Either 2018 or 2019. It was the summer I bought this kit in. And I didn't get around to finishing it until a few days ago. So it's been in my stash for a while. I think this is in 1 to 350 scale. This kit I would highly recommend if you're a Star Wars fan. Me personally, I'm not that big of a Star Wars fan, to be honest. I literally just got it because I wanted to try something new. One thing to note is there's very little building in this kit. Little to almost, or not building, excuse me. Well, there isn't really, because a lot of the parts come in really big chunks. It's like a giant Lego set, really. Except you have to use poly cement. It's not a click together set. The only parts I really needed to paint was these here, and just some weathering, but that's really about it. You could go a bit more detailed with this kit, but honestly, even what I did was slightly overkill. You could literally just build it, not paint it, and call it a day. It does come with a stand, but I didn't really want to put it on a stand because I didn't build it with... this piece here has to come off so it can fit into the stand. And I cemented this together, so, you know, it's going to just lie on my shelf forever. It does come with a figure as well, which is pretty good. It is small, and it's not overly detailed, but it's not like, I don't know, it's somewhere in between. It's like an over-glorified Airfix kit. The only downside I have to this kit is, I know this is kind of petty, but it's the pricing. This kit costs 45 euros. Now for the construction and the quality of the kit, I can see how that's kind of justified, but honestly, it's such a small kit. I don't really see why it's that much. There are Tamiya kits that are even bigger than this and cost less, so I don't know, really. Someone who's not a crazy Star Wars fan, maybe I just can't really see it, but if you're a big Star Wars fan, I say you will love this kit. And there is different ways you can build it in. I think you can actually open this, like, supposed to be a door that you can open. I have mine glued shut, but you can build it in the open position, which is pretty cool. I would definitely recommend this kit for someone who is a Star Wars fan. You can build other ones like TIE Fighters and X-Wings, but the Slave 1 is the one that I was interested in. I suppose it should be worth pointing out now that The Empire Strikes Back is my favorite Star Wars movie. Or my favorite has to be a toss-up between A New Hope and The Empire Strikes Back, but this plane is seen in the movie. That's probably the reason why I got it. But I definitely recommend this kit for anybody who is a Star Wars fan. And that's really all there is to say about it. Great construction. I actually cut my finger in the process, though. My thumb is kind of still kind of bad. I'm sorry I had to show you that, but I made a mistake here during the construction. I had to pull this apart, and in the process my hand slipped and got cut, which is very sad, but it's okay. It's no big deal. It happens. This is a hobby after all, an art hobby, so injuries are expected to happen. But all in all, I think other than that, I think it was a fantastic kit, and I'd recommend any Star Wars fan to definitely pick this one up and give it a go. Just do keep in mind of the price, because it is a little bit expensive, but I'm sure you can get it for lower on places like eBay or your local hobby shop. I did actually buy this in stores. It's one of the very few kits I actually bought in a shop. All my other kits I just order online. And I think this is still available brand new. I'll need to check that, but I know I normally leave links to the actual kit, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a like, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.